E don red for all Nigeria politicians. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigerian youth don provoke, say that instead of them dey use Bible and Quran, they swear them in, make they start dey use Ogu and AMADIOHA and Ohapo, all the whole native shrine wey dey for Nigeria, make they bring am out, use dey swear all the whole politicians in for office so that they no go dey steal again. My people, this one don red though. As I see this news as I see this update, now I can say wow, this is very good smart move. Now the same Ogu and AMADIOHA wey dey go protect themselves, wey dey thief massive the people money, they buy better car, they build house, they answer politicians. And the same AMADIOHA they protect them, so they know if they go for AMADIOHA, nobody go touch our money again. So e better made everybody bring out their AMADIOHA and Ogu. Anytime when they want swear in president, they want swear in governor or house of rep, any office where you hold for politicians, they use Ogu and AMADIOHA. That's where the people in, because it be like say Bible, they too they get patience, Quran too they get patience. They go wait until where heaven go come. That time now the thing go start the work. No, but AMADIOHA once you still low, it go catch you immediately. So better me quickly they use this AMADIOHA, they swear these people in. Okay, my people, as that one they have Barrister Michael Ezokohun. No be small thing, they say the man don't provoke. Go meet Tinubu, say that the constitution where Nigeria they operate on now don't have something like a referendum. That as it be for Nigeria now, a referendum go be the solution, so that everybody go come together again, come decide what they want for inside Nigeria. And they plead Tinubu to make sure say the new constitution wey they work on, we go work for the people, we go work for the Nigerian people. Make sure say the constitution go carry referendum inside. My people, it don't read. Now I want us to go and watch this video, but remember say see there for Balabas G's. Please share the video as many as you can. Now I want you to watch this video and see the moment youths are calling out the Nigerian government to start using Ogu and using AMADIOHA to be swearing them in, so that they will stop thieving our monies. Watch the video and you see the people who are also supporting Tinubu and other things where they talk for there. So just watch the video.
The only thing we go work for Nigeria, we go make our leader do well. Whether we carry Sango with Obatala, Ogu, God of Thunder, Lakaye, all those who anybody we want to enter any position, make him say juju before he go dead there. But say when they see, waiting I go advise, if our people know say Christian and the Muslim leaders, if they know say them good, make them carry. If we want support the protest in Nigeria good, all the church member, as we they go look people for their where then they do protest, all of us go gather. Now that time we go know say Nigeria good to make change. But this time around, nothing we then talk. My brother Tinubu, you know they send you, you know send you, you send you.
Now condemn criminal.
If
we want to do protest, according to my own knowledge, number one, we will shut airport down. Secondly, anything about transportation, whether road or water, we need to shut them down. And all the oil company, you understand? When we shut everything down, now from there, we will achieve something from the protest. You understand me? Look at that rice. It's only few people is working in government. Me and you, they work for government.
It is to carry juju they swear for House of Assembly. Make them leave Bible and Quran for one place, because Bible and Quran they go wait till heaven come. Who's the way we go heaven? We never know. 2000 years ago, heaven never come. The one way me I go hard fight in Nigeria people. Juju, Sango, Obatala, waiting for Ogbakiri Juju. Now one of the Juju now. AMADIOHA for Igbo land. Make them swear down, so that they carry gun with the motor key. Gun with the motor key with matches. When they cross them, they take the enter position. Without like that,
refinery. Nothing like refinery in Nigeria. If you check out,
you support make military take over
100 times, because it's military did this refinery here. It's Buhari. You are a profiter.
So military should take over.
Yes, I want military to take over.
So there's nothing that has been achieved by civilian.
We cannot achieve anything in civilian rule. You know why? We cannot achieve anything in civilian rule. You know, that is all this democracy made by people, for the people, and what for again. So all those things, I don't.
Shouldn't have announced the protest. That announcing the protest have given government room to prepare to counter the protest.
What I think there is
Next
this.
time they want to protest, maybe they no talk. Maybe everybody just come out.
That is the best. What he can do protest for us. See, let me tell you, even the people stand there say they are doing protest. This country of Nigeria today, now only God will go help us. Anybody will not go do well. I say, I tell you again, no, my brother, send down to everywhere. Our father, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, may God allow that man live long. He don't tell us true things. We know they believe, because in Nigeria, we they believe such a big man be this. Now, poor man Buhari when Buhari enter, I know when he tell us he get 150 cow when they train. Now he be in own company when he get only two buildings. The man go fit come out now tell us wetin get. That man we know say no get money as a retired soldier at that time. We put am say we go do well. Nigeria still dey one kind. Our brother now we get money where we dey post say the man get money. But what I go? Saying get money no go do anything. Or you make him don't take his own money when get. Wetin don't take support to one of Nigeria.
Are you saying Buhari better pass Tinubu or Tinubu better pass Buhari?
God bless you. Accountability. Let me tell you one thing. 1980. Are they alive? 1504 brand new motor in Nigeria. You know, past 12,400. The money where we take they buy one bag of rice now. Now then they take they buy 4 brand new motor that time. What do you see, my brother? Nigeria, hey, Nigeria, oh, economic sabotage. Egbami, Nigeria economic sabotage. Yes. Nigeria economy sabotage. I tell you, my brother, you should send this to all Nigeria.
Nigeria is they are really angry.
What will you rate this current administration so far? A lot of Nigeria are saying it's the worst. Like they've never experienced hyperinflation in the history of Nigeria.
So what I will only tell you is that I've never seen a place where a child is born, a little child of 1 year, and he started running, he started clapping, he started jumping. It's not done.
Is our president a little child?
No, it's government. It's a little child government. I don't expect in 1 year that I should turn Nigeria to London.
But they are taking over from the previous administration.
Yes, he take over from the previous administration. We are saying that the previous administration did not try to expected ways. That is why we elect him as a Tinubu, because the transformation that man did in Lagos is just a masterpiece. We expect that to happen in Nigeria. But in the other way around, Nigeria is a very big nation that I don't expect him within 1 year to perform the magic.
Did you vote Tinubu, sir?
Sir?
You voted Tinubu?
By the grace of God, I voted him.
Did you have any regret voting him?
No, for now, I have no regret voting him.
You are enjoying him?
Because his government tell us about renewed hope, and we are hoping by the grace of God that renewed hope will come to be in Nigeria.
So far so good in the 1 year. There's no light or something that you can attribute to this current administration that they've tried so far.
What I can say they tried so far is on security. We are hearing killings, Boko Haram, this and that, but by the grace of God now, the tension have those down. So that's one of the things I can give him kudos about.
So are you joining
oil and gas? Nothing to write home about.
Are you joining the protest today?
I may not join, but I support everybody.
That we need a change. The masses are suffering, the youth are angry, even our parents. When you went to market, you cannot even afford anything to eat. We that is a family man, we don't even have the say to tell our wife that take this money and go to market and buy some food stuff. The economy is bad. We urge the president to look the tears of the masses and know what to do. He used 1 day to remove the fuel subsidy, and now it has been 1 year and nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. He need to look the masses and show them really is a leader, not a ruler. Thank you.
All right, protest is not by force.
Nobody is forcing anybody.
No. Many of the thing is being hijacked.
Nigeria, we've seen where the government is paying people to pro-government protesters.
No,
have come out to express that they are feeling the pain of the inflation.
Yes.
So tell us.
Let me
ongoing protest.
Let me redirect your steps or your thinking towards that particular aspect. Have you witnessed, or do you have any capable, maybe something to justify or to say government are the people paying these people to stop the...
My wonderful people, don't say now the best thing where they supposed to use, not be even this protest what we do. I think say the protest and everybody go waka go as rock. All the whole you to go stand, everybody go bring the whole go where they their village. Now what you supposed to do instead of going to protest for, because these people they have many different stuff for go where they for their house. The only thing where you go bring, we go make African man fierce more. Now that ogu, because he knows that ogu somehow they work immediately, not be like Bible. Man, they do now the day of before I go heaven, before I go die, I go repent. That's why they see many politicians, they flow for church. What those one they don't owe, because they see them for church. Now repent, they repent oh. No good, that be the main solution. And AMADIOHA, I beg more, share this video.